Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an AT&T user and you just got your AT&T Fire Hub, I'm going to walk you through the full setup process so you can get fast wireless internet in 2026. So let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and unbox your device. Inside, you should find the Fire Hub, the power adapter, and at the Ethernet cable. Make sure everything is there before moving on. Place the Fire Hub upright near a window or any high spot in your home. Higher placement usually means better signal and faster speed. Now plug in the power adapter and turn it on. You should see a green power light and amber signal light blinking while it searches for a tower. If the signal is low, try raising the hub to a higher position. On your phone, download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, sign in using your AT&T user ID. If you are setting it up for the first time, choose Set Up Equipment and scan the QR code on the bottom of your Fire Hub. So follow the steps in the app to name your Wi-Fi network, set a secure password, and once done, connect your phone, computer, or smart devices to this new Wi-Fi network. Now you need to check your signal strength. Test the connection by streaming a video or browsing the internet. If you see only one green signal light on the hub, move it to a better location. Inside the app, open the network tab and check your signal level. You ideally want 3 to 4 bars for speed around 30 to 50 Mbps. If setup fails or you see red lights with an error code like EO12, make sure you have accepted the AT&T service terms from the registration email. Unplug the hub, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Try scanning the QR code again. Most issues can be fixed by repositioning the hub or rebooting it. And that's it. Your AT&T Fire Hub is now ready to go. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.